How to log out of Telegram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log out of Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log out of Telegram, all you have to do is simply open the Telegram application, and as you can currently see that I'm signed into my account. Well, to sign out, first of all, tap the three lines option from the top left of the screen and simply go to the option called settings. Once you go to the option called settings, from the very top right hand side you will find the three dots icon. Make sure to tap the three dots icon over there. So let me go ahead and do that as well. So once you tap the three dots icon, one of the options here you'll find is called logout. Tap the logout option and here you'll find the logout button again, and when you tap the logout option and tap on logout, you will be successfully logged out of Telegram. This way you can basically log out of Telegram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.